Welcome to JMC News. I'm Akshay. Off the coast of the tropical Pacific, ocean temperatures are climbing, and scientists say what's building could turn into one of the strongest El Nino events on record. El Nino is a natural climate pattern in which the surface waters of the tropical Pacific Ocean turn warmer than usual, shifting weather patterns across the globe from rainfall to storm. It tends to recur every few years, and this time forecasters say it's shaping up to be a big one. NOAA's Climate Prediction Center upgraded its NSO alert status from watch to advisory on 11th of June, confirming that El Nino conditions are no longer just forecast, they are already present in tropical Pacific. El Nino is officially declared when sea surface temperatures in equatorial Pacific stay half a degree Celsius or more above average for several consecutive months. The current Nino 3.4 sea surface temperature anomaly stands at roughly 0.7 degrees Celsius and continue to rise, with a strong subsurface warm pool feeding further warming. The eastern Pacific is already running especially hot, with the Nino 1+2 region recording an anomaly of plus 2.1 degrees. Forecasters expect this event to keep strengthening well into year's end. The World Meteorological Organization's Secretary General Celeste Solo said El Nino conditions are already underway and forecast to strengthen rapidly into a strong event, intensifying the risk of heat waves on land and marine heat waves in many regions worldwide. The current climate prediction center currently puts the odds of a very strong El Nino at 63% for the November to January window, an event that could rank among the largest in historical record dating back to 1950. The ripple effects are already visible. Colorado State University lowered its Atlantic hurricane forecast in June, citing the window shear El Nino typically brings, cutting its named storm prediction from 13 to 11, with overall activity expected at about 60% of the long average. Meanwhile, on the other side of the world, the WMO expects El Nino's typically pattern to bring drier conditions to Central America, Northern South America, the Caribbean, Australia, Indonesia, and parts of Southern Asia, while Southern South America, the Southern United States, and the Horn of Africa see increased rainfall. Some scientists are going further still. New ensemble models run from ECMWF, NOAA, and the Bureau of Meteorology suggest this event could become the strongest El Nino in modern history, potentially surpassing the record-breaking event of 1877 to 1878. Whether that scale plays out or not, one thing is clear. The world is heading into a winter shaped by one of the most closely watched El Nino events in the decade. That's all for today from us. For daily news updates, stay tuned with JMC. Jai Hind.